This is my solution to Paul's Raspberry Pi lesson number 17, controlling an RGB brightness with an RGB LED brightness with 3 potentiometers. I've put stickers to show which is which of the controls, and I've used arrays because I get tired of seeing the same code just repeated for red, for green, for blue. There must be a better way. Right, here we go. Right, red is on. Red is at 152. We'll add some blue. Blue. That looks okay. Oops, I've lost my sticker. Red down. Right, we're just on blue. Blue is now maximum. Add green. I've lost that sticker. Right, that's full green, full blue, down, and now that's just green, difficult to see really. There, Control C. Now, I've rewritten the program using the GPIO.0 library, which you can see is an awful lot more simple. And if you didn't want to print out the values of there, you can see that you only need 2 lines in your while true loop, which is pretty cool. Right, so we'll run that, and green is on. Turn green down. Try red. Yep. Bit of blue. And as you can see, everything works exactly the same as in the first version. Control C. There.